Yeah, that's okay. I mean, numbers are numbers, so. Number 45 goes like y squared minus 4x squared minus 2y minus 48x. Well, it's probably the, well, 59 shouldn't matter. Is that the one? Yeah? Okay, guys, class has started, okay? Sabina, Chupkar. Boys, Chupkar. Class has started. Okay, so what do you want to do first? What do you want to do first? Okay, do you want to rearrange it? Okay, so you get y squared minus 2y. And how about if I rearrange and factor at the same time? Is that okay? Okay, does that look all right? My bad, 12x, thank you. Seem all right? So this goes like that. And so what do you put in here? So plus 1 there, so put a plus 1 on the other side. Okay, and then about here. 9 inside. Oh, 36, my bad. Half of 12 is 6, 36. And so then on the other side, notice that what you've done is you've subtracted, okay? So you better subtract 144 on the other side. You did that? Yeah? Okay. So then I have y minus 1 squared minus 4 x plus 6 squared equals, so that's 59, 58, what is it, 96 or 86? 86? Negative 86? Negative 143, negative 192 is what I'd say. Sorry? Negative 200 something? 143, 93, 12, 5, 6, 202? Yeah. He can do arithmetic. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Okay, negative 202. All right. What do you want to do next? Yeah, well, you want a 1 there, don't you? Whether it's negative or not, I don't care. You want a 1 there. So what you're going to do? Divide by negative 202. Yeah? And then you can see that these two guys will have to switch over then. Because this guy will become negative, this guy will become positive. So you'll have to switch them over. Right? So then this becomes 4x plus 6 quantity squared over 202. I've already taken the negative sign into account. Do you see that? Arash and John, I don't know about you guys, but Laura is trying to learn. Okay? You with me on that? And then this guy becomes minus 1, y minus 1 squared over 202 equals 1. So make sure you understand what I've done with the negative sign. Okay? I've kind of switched them around because this guy would become positive, so he comes out here. This guy would become negative, so he comes out here. Okay? And so then this would be x plus 6 quantity squared. 202 over 4 is 101 over 2. So I'm going to make this 101 over 2. Divide top and bottom by 4. If you divide the top by 4, this disappears. You divide 202 by 4, you reduce by 2. Okay, so it becomes 101 over 2 minus y minus 1 squared over 202 equals 1. Was that the answer? 43, 44, and of course 45 is somewhere else. Did you check the answer at the back of your book? Is this what you had? Is that right? Okay. So the techniques are the same. Okay. Whatever you do, the technique's the same. It's just that you got to recognize how to rearrange things in, so it looks like a standard form. All right? Okay. Next one was what? 53? Yes? Yes? Okay, so number 53. Classify the graph of the equation. So when it says classify, I don't want you to complete the square and then classify. Okay, classify based on the rules that I gave you, A times C stuff. So you got to write down what A is equal to. What's A equal to? A is the coefficient of x squared. 3. What's C equal to? C is the coefficient of y squared. 2. A times C equals 8, greater than 0, therefore ellipse. Yes? In other words, if A and C are the same sign, then the conics got to be an ellipse. So that's all it's asking you to do, okay? Classify. It's not asking you to complete the square and put it in standard form. Yeah, Mandy. Yeah. Okay on that? Okay, so this is a straight classification. I don't want you to classify by completing the square and doing that first, okay? All right. So the next one was what? 49? 49, where are we? Foci. 0, 0, 8, 0, asymptotes at y equals plus or minus 2x minus 4. Okay. Okay, Mandy, what's the first thing you do? What's the first thing you do? Awesome. Henry? Sketch. Sketch. Okay? Sketch. Always draw a diagram first. X, Y. Focus is at 0, 0 and 8, 0. So here's F1, here's F2. Okay, now if you want to go for the center, I'll go for it. Center. What's the center at? 4, 0. So this is a hyperbola, right? The foci have got to be inside. So which way is it oriented? Horizontal or vertical? Horizontal, because the transverse, remember the transverse axis is the line that goes to the foci and the vertices. So the transverse axis is horizontal, means the graph is going to be horizontal. Okay? So your form, your standard form is going to look like what? X first or Y first? If it's horizontal, then x first. Okay, so it becomes x minus 8 squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Okay, and you know what h and k are. What's h? 4. So then this becomes x minus 4 quantity squared over a squared, and what's k? So this becomes that. Okay, and now they've given you the asymptotes right there, right? Okay. Now the couple